Welcome to the Project Maths GeoGebra tutorial series. In this tutorial we are going to look at how to change the graphics view. So first of all I need to launch GeoGebra, so I do so by double clicking on my icon. And now I have a GeoGebra window open on my desktop. So this is our graphics view. One of the main things you want to do with your graphics view is to be able to move it around and to scale the axis. So there are a couple of ways to do this. The easiest way is to click on the double arrow button at the end of the toolbar. So you see it's called the Move Graphics View. So when you click on that, then click and holding down your mouse, drag up and down on your graphics view and you'll see that moves the axis. You can hold down your mouse and drag from side to side and that will move it in the horizontal direction. Now you'd also like to be able to scale the axis. So with the same button ticked, what you can do is move your mouse so that it hovers over one of the axes and you'll see the change in the cursor when you do so. Once you see the cursor change, you hold down your left mouse button and drag up or down and that will scale the axis. It'll either expand or contract it depending on which way you move. Now obviously you can do the same with your x-axis, so again just moving until we're sitting over the x-axis, wait for the cursor to change, hold down your mouse button and drag in or out. Now you'll very often be doing that in class and doing it quite a lot, so hitting this button each time to do so gets a little bit tedious. So if we change to our default button on our toolbar, if we click and drag on our graphics view, we'll see it no longer moves. If we hover over our axis, our cursor no longer changes shape. So we can still actually change the graphics view in terms of scaling the axis and moving around it without having to press this button. If instead we hold down the Shift key on our keyboard and now drag on your graphics view and you'll see you're able to move it. Again, still holding down the Shift key, move until you're sitting over the y-axis and then drag up and down and you're able to scale the axis as you like.